So this is the base of a cutting I'm doing today. This is what we call a polybanded system. So it's mostly lace at the front, so you can use glue, have a real natural looking hairline. This helps the hair breathe. We don't usually glue here. We just usually leave this a bit kind of loose, just so it helps you breathe when you sweat. And the polyband is usually when people use a tape, and it gets a nice strong bond with tapes. So you can see how good the hairlines are, even with just a bit of tape. Obviously just for a block cut, we don't glue it down, we just kind of tape it in blocks. So like you can see, a little bit of glue tape there, but obviously I've just got a bit too far. But if you look just behind it, how good that actually looks. Yeah, so that is the finished product, ready for the guy to be sent off. And then he'll attach it himself. I don't know exactly how he attaches it. I'm pretty sure it's glue at the front. But yeah, that's another one done.